Yeah, I wanted to make a quick video here showing how we've automated a big part of all of our projects and writing requirements and turning those into technical requirements. So this is just a demo of a call walkthrough. And basically, what we do in a lot of our projects is we'll have an initial call with a client. We'll go through this whole process of mapping out workflows and talking about their goals, objectives, the user journey, all these pieces from this call. And we've done all the hard work now. It's all in the call, it's in the transcript. But what we need to do now is turn that into something usable. So I can take an assistant here. I can give this assistant just this huge call transcript. Now, this is just a short demo version of this, okay? And I can provide this to this assistant. And what it will do is it will then write a product requirements for us. So this one in particular is going to Gemini 2.5. It has system instructions to take a call and turn that call into a set of requirements. So you can see it thinking here, and now it's coming out with our requirements document. Now, this is the way we've chosen to have this formatted, but you could, in your own way, have your own process to create this. So it has kind of some initial scope, what's in scope, anything out of scope. We didn't really talk about anything in this demo call. You can see some of the requirements, but this is all within really for the business side of the application. I can then change this assistant to a software architect and say something like, write the technical requirements for this project. Now, this is taking all of the context already provided, the response from this AI business analyst and technical writer. It's now sending this to a different assistant. Could be on a different model. This one does happen to be the same. It's also Gemini 2.5 Pro. I like to use Gemini because it has such a large context window that you really feel you can just have these conversations forever within our platform. And now you can see it's coming back with a very different style response. It has assumptions, it has a task project, kind of task list with phases and different tasks. It also knows our stack. We provided some system instructions that for most of our applications, we're going to use Flutter. It's going to use Firebase or Supabase. So it might mention which one it thinks that we should do here as kind of the core features. So here it chose to use Firebase for this project. And now you can see all the data models that are going to exist, the screens we're going to build, the widgets we need, dependencies, an implementation plan, design system, some assumptions. And here you kind of have this first project plan come out. Now, this has automated a lot of general work when we start a project because we've already done all that hard work in that call and we just want to copy and paste it and have it come out here. But at the same time, something that I'm really cognizant of is a lot of people want to build these agentic workflows where you just like dump in a call and out comes your end product. And that's great, but I don't think this is right. There's things that weren't said on the call or my experience that I need to bring to this project. And that's where having a workflow in N8N or kind of this automated workflow behind the scenes doesn't really work very well because what you're going to do is go in here and say, you know what, I don't think that we should do this, or maybe I don't want to use Riverpod for state management. And now you need to iterate with these assistants to create a better outcome. Okay. So, for example, I could go to a senior developer and say, I don't want to use Riverpod for state management. Let's stick with FlutterFlow for this. And now we can produce a better end product, okay? And the idea is that you as a human should be bringing your expertise in working with the AI, not expecting the AI to just do all of the work for you. That's really how we've created this and why we created it this way. And then again, if you're not familiar with Somara, a few things that you can do here. One is you can take this public link and share this with anyone in your team. They can be in this conversation in real time. So you both could be in here having a conversation about this together, or of course you could just share it after you're done with the call. And then all of this is organized by spaces. So you can create a project space that has all the context of this project. And now you can see it's created this revised task list. It's already rethought through all of the things. And now we have a better solution, something that we're going to feel better about. And that's how we are automating a lot of our project work today using AI. But when I say automating, it's really more augmenting. It's giving our team AI tools so that they can deliver things faster with less manual work, but they're still bringing the expertise and collaborating together to generate it. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions about Somara or how we use this, or even if you want some of these system instructions, just let me know.